Okay, hi everyone. Again, we meet again. This time with another video about clothes. This video is entitled "The Fashion Show." It's a part of your vocabulary lesson. First thing we're going to start with is to remind you always that you can pause and replay the video or better understand it. What you're required to do is you'll be shown three pictures of three different models, and you need to read the description written above the pictures and try to choose the picture or the model that best depicts the description. Again, pause and replay at your own ease. First description reads as: this model wears a black suit and a black and a blue tie. He wears shiny black shoes. So you have three different models to choose from. We have Model A, Model B, and Model C. Which of these three models is described in the sentences above? If you think it's A, you're correct. Because here we have a black suit. This is a black suit, as you can see, black suit. Blue tie here, and black shoes. We move on to the next slide. The description reads as: this model wears a gray tracksuit and a gray cap. She wears nice white sneakers. Now, Model A, Model B, Model C. If you think it's Model B, then you're correct. This model wears a gray tracksuit. Well, tracksuit is basically this. This is a tracksuit. The gray cap is what she wears about on her head, and white sneakers is the white shoes she wears in her foot. Now we move on to the next one. This model wears a pink skirt and a green blouse. She wears a nice green scarf. A, B, C. So when I say pink skirt and green blouse, green scarf, you will obviously think of this model here, which is correct, because this is a pink skirt here, green blouse here, and green scarf. This model also wears a green scarf, but she does not wear a skirt. We move on to the next one. This model wears a white t-shirt and white shorts. So obviously if you have t-shirt, shorts with two options, it's either A or C, but since we have the color white t-shirt and white shorts, it's obviously C. We move on to the next slide. This model wears a green dress and a brown shoes. She wears a nice green scarf. A, B, C. And since we said green scarf, we only have two options. And the best option, of course, is A, because She wears brown shoes and the green dress. The next slide is this model wears blue trousers and a blouse. She wears shiny black high heels. A, B, C. And obviously, because we say high heels, these are shoes that are high and that only women wear. C, correct. The next one is this model wears blue shorts, blue flip-flops, and a gray hoodie. And here we have A, B, C. And the correct answer, of course, is because we have blue shorts, we have to think obviously about this guy right here. And what he wears on his foot is called flip-flops. And this is a hoodie. A, correct. This model wears pajamas and a robe. He wears black slippers. A, B, C. And here we have, is this pajama? No, this is not pajamas. It's obviously B. This is a pajama. Yes. This model wears a black coat, a gray scarf. He wears brown gloves. A, B, C. Since we said brown gloves, then we should always think about the handwear that people wear sometimes when it's very cold. That's why we have the option A. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.